Alright, I'm doing a E85 cold start on my 2017 STI, just to show you how it is when you first start it up. Not too bad. It's louder than with 92 octane, but it's really not too bad. It's about 43 degrees, and let's see. Yeah, ethanol content is at 70. But yeah, flex fuel is awesome. My car is just insane whenever I run this stuff. I wish flex fuel was available in more locations. But yeah, I just wanted to show you a video of my car starting up with flex fuel. Cold starts aren't that bad, and it's really not much louder. Alright, bye.